are looking for our doors. We're at Dunn Lumber.
No, we're not. We're at Frank Lumber.
Frank Lumber. We are looking for our doors. We're at Frank Lumber, the door store, Frank Lumber, where you can find all the doors your heart desires.
We're looking for our exterior
Hopefully.
door.
We need one for the front door of the shop, one for the front door to the cabin, and two for the little, like little.
Oh, the dog houses.
Oh, the dog houses. All the doors.
Here you go.
Yeah. So I like that style. I mean, I'd like it slimmer, the window slimmer, but no, Junsu. Yeah, I like this one.
See if I can get a good picture.
It's beautiful.
So we picked out our doors. They're matching fur, VG fur, kind of like a modern horizontal strip glass panels. And then we also ordered the little doghouse doors. They're just like little fiberglass white doors, smooth finish fiberglass. So I'm here today with Luke, my brother-in-law. We're gonna, now that the waterproof deck's done, we're finally gonna take off that tarp once and for all. It'll never go back on, which is great. And then we're gonna put our sliders in. We have to bump up the opening for the slider because we got new upper windows. We had an ordering discrepancy. Those replacement windows are in. And so we're going to bump those up, put the new uppers in, and then install the sliders. And then I got a few other random windows to install too. We got the front door for both the cabin and the shop, so we're going to install those as well. We're going to get the whole door installed, and then we're going to take the actual slab doors off and put these burner doors on. They're hollow core, just junkers, so that the frames will be on. The siders will actually be able to trim right to the frame of the actual door, but the door panel will be a junker, just so during construction they'll just get kind of bashed and our nice doors won't get damaged.